TMC and SGML were trending yesterday, the 26th of November 2025. They both have reasonable short interests. TMC has a short interest of around 13%, whereas SGML has around 10%. So TMC gained 32.6% overall for that session, for that day, the 26th, and the volume was almost approaching double its 50-day average of 9.9 million shares. And it's closed with this price of $7.2. It's probably trading at a decent premium to its volume weighted average price. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. The folks at FinViz, or rather, the folks at FinViz, they're saying that there was no clear catalyst, whereas on various stock trading and investing platforms, people were pointing to the remarks that the CFO of the company made, warning short sellers. Okay, so they were also chattering, folks at on those social media, investing platforms. They were also chattering about long-term prospects of deep sea mining and a lot more. But coming back to the folks at the printout on or readout from FinViz, they are saying here that that 32% was amid elevated options volumes. We'll have a look later on, and bullish flow with over 24,000 contracts traded and implied volatility spiking to 123%. Okay, all of that occurred within a broader materials sector rally that was up 2.6% intraday, potentially amplifying momentum for critical minerals plays like TMC. Okay, so the surge may reflect a speculative trading or retail interest building on October's geopolitical hype around rare earth supplies. Though without collaborated events, it remains unexplained based on financial news outlets and market data. Okay, so let's see whether we can see anything with regard to the options flow, options volumes. Okay, we are looking at these ones will expire tomorrow, the 28th. Okay, it looks like some contracts have decent volumes, but not open interests. Open interests are good. I think on the call side, on the put side, I think we have more, but let's have a look at the December 19 series, the longer duration series. See what we have here. Okay, yeah, I think this is looking with this alone, this 10,725 and 8396. We can say yes, there is a decent amount of options flows. Yeah, implied volatility 130 what 130 129%. Let's see whether it's this the January December 26th they are referring to. Let's see, December 26th, is it anything? Nothing, no. So I think our best bet will still be the December 19. That's where the much of that options data is probably referring to. And indeed, it could be a summation of all of them. Okay, so the strand is currently showing is expected to remain in place at least up till the 28th of November, Friday, the close of tomorrow's trading session, and then after that, it's expected to contract, going all the way towards Wednesday, the 3rd of December. Then after that, from the same day as well, the uptrend is expected to resume for TMC. The 40 period moving average is also rising to provide support to catch any pullback. And in terms of prices, we have 4.5 down projection, 3.87 equally down projection, 3.48 as well downward projection, 6.53, 7.16, 7.55. Current price is 7.2. Okay, yeah. Okay, momentum is expected to remain sustained, but with a with a distributive bias. Yeah, it's expected to gradually begin to decay. As the decay, the downtrend or the decay may kick into high gear from Friday, the close of the trading session, which is in line with this contraction. Yeah, so it's expected to cross its 10-period moving average by the 1st of December. Okay, yeah. So the stock has actually been showing a decent amount of strength since the 18th of November. Yeah, it's been a volatile one as well. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, here is saying that it may continue to show strength up till the 2nd of December. The uptrend is the extrapolation with of course volatility as well. Yeah, higher prices expected to remain in place at least up till the 8th of January. It might be intersecting with its 40-day moving average beginning from the 11th of December. These are just extrapolations. Okay, projections are saying 9.78, 11.17, 13.62, and 15.14. Okay, SGML closed with a gain of 8.23%. Let's see what we have. Volatility is expected to dampen somewhat in the coming days. It's trading at a slight premium to its volume weighted average price. The volume that crossed the tape yesterday isn't as big as what it normally does. Okay, let's see what we have for SGML. The stock was trending as lithium prices show signs of a new bull cycle, spurring optimism about the company's future profitability and production capacity. People were actively discussing the potential for a short squeeze as well as insider selling and upcoming financial results. Overall, sentiment appeared bullish, with some expecting the stock to catch up to peers and reach higher price levels. Okay, yeah, let's see. Can we just quickly glance at the it's December 19 options grid? Let's see, open interests. Yeah, I think they are. Yeah, they are quite optimistic going by this by the volumes we have here, open interest we have here. This will be 4,006, and then this will be 5,000, 5,000, almost 6,000 here, and then 6,000 or 7,001. And okay, yeah, they're more bullish, more on the bottom, more they're bullish, yeah, slightly bullish, especially going by what we have here on its December 19 series. Yeah, they're much option traders are optimistic. Okay, let's see what we have for TMC. So SGML. SGML strength is expected to remain in place up till the 1st of December, and then sustained or rather consolidated towards Friday the 5th, and then after that a contraction, and then the uptrend may resume. So all in all, it's just saying that they might be volatile going all the way towards the 8th of January. Okay, volatility is expected, or rather, a volatile consolidation is expected up till the early January of this year, and the 40-day moving average is expected to keep rising to catch any pullback. Projections are currently saying, let me see what we have, 7.2. It's a discount to its um, volume weighted average price. Okay, momentum is expected to begin to decay, going all the way down to the 18th of December. Yeah, okay, yeah, which is in line with what the extrapolation is saying. Okay, let's see. But we need to see higher projections. But let's see before we go there and see. Okay, we can try the 4-hour chart. We might see some projections here. Okay, nothing. Okay, yeah, there are some projections here. We have 17.69, So 14.69, 17.14, 18.66, with downward projections of 8.09, 6.78, and 5.97. Yeah, here contraction is expected to begin to play out from the pre-market session of tomorrow, and then remains expected to remain contracted towards Monday, the 8th of December. Okay, there might be there might be a an interaction by the second of this of December between the 3 period moving average and the 40 period moving average. So that might indicate that the contraction may actually be over from then, actually. So, but ultimately, still a contraction of the bullish trend it was on, yeah, early short term bullish trend it printed from the 4th of December. So, it might just that interaction or that crossover is just indicating that even lower prices may print from then on. But before then, it's just more of a moderated contraction. Yeah. Okay. Have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.